This is the story of Ramakatha in Ragamalika. It's not fully complete yet, but I will sing what I have so far. Kausalya Ramam bhajeho, Kausalya Ramam bhajeho, Dasharatatmajo Kausalya Ramo bhajeho, Dasharatatmajo Kausalya Ramam bhajeho, Dasharatatmajo Kausalya Ramam bhajeho. Kaushika Munivarabhigna, Kaushika Munivarabhigna Yajnavita Kodandapavanu, Kaushika Munivarabhigna Yajnavita Kodandapanu, Kausalya Ramam bhajeho. I meditate upon Sri Rama, the son of Mother Kausalya and King Dasharatha. When Rama was young, he was a very good archer. So Kaushika Muni, who is Vishwamitra, came to the court of Dasharatha and asked for Rama specially, for he was the most fit to come and help him protect his yajna in the forest. So Kodandapani, the one with a bow and arrow, went to the forest with Vishwamitra. Janaki manojito, Janaki manojito, Janaki manojito, Shivadanu pinnam ojasa, Janaki manojito, Shivadanu pinnam ojasa, Shanki Parasuramarchito Divyavataram Raghuviram, Janaki manojito, Shivadanu pinnam ojasa, Shanki Parasuramarchito Divyavataram Raghuveera Kausalya Ramam bhajeho, Dasharatatmajo Kausalya Ramam bhajeho. First one was in Hindolam, this one is Begada. So after the yajna, Vishwamitra took Rama and Lakshmana. He took Rama to Mithila because he wanted him to participate in the Swayamvara of Sita, the daughter of Janaka. So Rama won the heart of Sita, Janaki, by breaking Shiva's dhanur or his bow. On the way back, they met Parashurama, who challenged Rama, and Rama defeated him. And even Parashurama bowed to Rama, the Supreme Lord. Cheshta Suto Sulakshanu, Cheshta Suto Sulakshanu, Saketa Pura Suhrutamo, Cheshta ज्येष्ठसुतं सुलक्षणं साकेत पुरसुहृतमो प्रियं प्रीतावाक्यनुवृतौ प्रियं पितावाक्यनुवृतौ प्रियं पितावाक्यनुवृतौ विवासिताब्द चतुर्दशो ज्येष्ठ सुतं सुलक्षणं साकेत पुरसुहृतमो प्रियं पितावाक्यनुवृतौ विवासिताब्द चतुर्दशो कौसल्या रामं भजेऽहं दशरथात्मजं कौसल्या रामं भजेऽहम्. Shubhabantu Varali usually conveys sorrow. Well, when Rama came back to the kingdom, everyone thought he was going to be crowned the king. But because he was Jeshta Sutam, firstborn, Sulakshanam of great divine qualities, Saketapura Suhustamam, he was the best among those in Saketapura, fit to be the king. But because of his Pita's love for his dad, and his dad having given a boon to Kaikeyi, that Bharata shall be the king and Rama shall go to forest, Rama Vivasit Abda Chaturdasham, for 14 years he went to the forest, giving up the kingdom. The whole kingdom was saddened by this. Sita Lakshmana Sadhubhe Sita Lakshmana Sadhubhe Mrigan Kagavana Parivratam Sita Lakshmana Sadhubhe Mrigan Kagavana Parivratam Brata Bharata Sevita Shri Paduka Rashtradipo Sita Lakshmana Sadhubher Mrigan Kagavana Parivratam Brata Bharata Sevita Shri Paduka Rashtradipo Pitambaradaram Pitambaradaramukam Nilayashamalam Jatakeshavam Chapasharaukaram Rudrakshama Alokruto Huru Kausalya Ramam Vajehum Dasharathatmajam Kausalya Ramam Vajehum. That's copy. So Rama went to the forest, Sita Lakshmana Sadhubir, with his wife Sita, who accompanied him, brother Lakshmana, and many sages and followers. Kagavana Parivratam. He was surrounded, sitting in the forest, surrounded by the animals, forest animals and the birds. Bharata. At that time, Bharata came with the army towards Rama. Lakshmana thought it was a sign of aggression. He wanted to fight him. Rama asked him to sit. Said, "It's our brother coming to talk to us." And Bharata fell at Rama's feet. He said, "I am so sorry. You need to please come back and be the king, because you are the king of Ayodhya." Rama, of course, refused, saying he has to keep the word he has given to his father. So Bharata took Sri Paduka, his footwear, and said, "This will rule the kingdom, and I shall serve it, serve your footwear, till you come back to the kingdom." And there, behold, the Supreme Lord Rama, Pitambaradaram, this yellow garment, Mukam Nile Shamalam, bluish black hued face, Jata Keshavam, this lock hair, dreadlock hairs, matted lock hairs, Chapa Sharokaram, with this bow and arrow in his hand, Rudraksha Mala, wearing his Rudraksha Mala. Behold Sri Rama. Panchavati Naditi Rashramam, Panchavati Naditi Rashramam, Sundara Rajam Shurpanagashayam, Panchavati Naditi Rashramam, Sundara Rajam Shurpanagashayam, Kanchana Charu Mrihasurantakum, Kanchana Charu Mrihasurantakum, Maitili Daitya Dashagriva Hrutam, Panchavati Naditi Rashramam, Sundara Rajam Shurpanagashayam, Kanchana Charu Mrihasurantakum, Maitili Daitya Dashagriva Hrutam, Dukkataramadiram Shri Ramam, Dukkataramadiram Shri Ramam, Charataranya Vina Ati Priyam, Dukkataramadiram Shri Ramam, Charataranya Vina Ati Priyam, Bhakta Jatayu, Bhakta Jatayu Mride Jivarpanam, Jatayu Mride Jivarpanam, Dakshina Hruta Shritalokashuram, Bhakta Jatayu Mride Jivarpanam, Dakshina Hruta Sitalokashuram, Kausalya Ramam Bhajehum, Dasharatatmajam, Kausalya Ramam Bhajehum. So, Rama, on the banks of Panchavati river, was in his ashrama with Sita and Lakshmana. The Sundara Raja, like the beautiful king, was sitting. The demon Shurpanaga saw Rama and she was smitten. She wanted to ask him to marry her. Rama said he was already taken, so she can approach Lakshmana. Lakshmana knew there was a demoness, cut her nose off. Maddened Shurpanaga went back to Ravana, her brother, who was the king of Lanka, complained. And Ravana told Ravana, you should take his wife, Sita. Ravana sent Maricha in the form of a golden deer to distract Rama. When Rama went to catch the deer for Sita, he realized it was a demon and he killed him. The demon, while dying, Maricha, shouted Lakshmana. Lakshmana and Sita heard this back in the ashrama. Sita told Lakshmana, go, Rama is calling you, because the voice sounded like Rama. But Lakshmana said, it is not Rama. Still Sita insisted, so Lakshmana left her back there, asked her to not entertain anybody, and went to see Rama. And Dashagriva, the 10-headed Ravana, came in the form of a saint and abducted Sita and took her with. Dukkadaram Adhiram Sri Ramam. Rama was very saddened and very distraught. Charataranya Vina Atipriyam. He went and roamed the forest looking for his beloved Sita. There he saw Bhakta Jatayu lying down, having been defeated in battle, his wing being cut off. he had fought Ravana in his aircraft, and Ravana had killed Jatayu. Before Jatayu died, he said, Dakshina Hrita Sita Lankashram. He said, in the southern direction, Lankashura took Sita and he died.
Anjanaputram Kapirvaram Anjanaputram Kapirvaram Sadhu Rupagatam Mahadyutim Anjanaputram Kapirvaram Sadhu Rupagatam Mahadyutim Agama Jnananam Panditam Agama Jnananam Panditam Suhru Sugrivartim Shunman Harim Agama Jnana Panditam Suhru Sugrivartim Shunman Harim Anjanaputram Kapirvaram Sadhu Rupagato Mahadyutim Agama Jnana Panditam Suhru Sugrivartim Shunman Harim Charanile Anyasatararnavam Charanile Anyasatararnavam Charanile Anyasatararnavam Drishya Janaki Ashokanilayam Charanile Anyasatararnavam Drishya Janaki Ashokanilayam Krura Ravana Lankantakam Krura Ravana Lankantakam Viranjaneyam Ramadudam Charanile Anyasatararnavam Drishya Janaki Ashokanilayam Shuran Ravana Lankantakam Viranjaneyam Ramadudam Kausalya Ramam Bhajeho Dasharatatmajam Kausalya Ramam Bhajeho.
That's Lalita. So, Anjanaputram, Kapirvaram, the best among the monkey kingdom, the son of Anjana, Hanuman. Sadhu Rupagatam Mahadyutam. He was looking effulgent and he came in the form of a sadhu, somebody who had a learned man. But Rama, when he saw him, he knew it was Hanuman. He Agama Jnananam Panditam. He saw, he was very impressed by how knowledgeable Anjaneya, Hanuman was about all the scriptures. And he listened to him describe Sugrivartam, his friend Sugriva's plight, having been banished by Vali, his brother, out of the kingdom. So Rama did accompany Hanuman and his friend Sugriva. Sugriva defeated Vali and regained the kingdom, Kishkinda kingdom. Then, as promised to Rama, Hanuman went to Lanka to see Shrita. Sharanila Anyasa Taranam. He flew over the ocean and crossed it effortlessly. Drishya Janaki, there he saw Janaki. He told her he's coming from Rama. And Janaki gave her a little jewel to take back to Rama. He saw her at Ashoka Nilayam, under the Ashoka tree. Then when Ravana confronted him and set his tail on fire, Hanuman set all of Lanka on fire and destroyed it out of his anger for what Ravana had done. There he was, this very mighty and warrior Anjaneya, the messenger of Sri Rama. That Rama I meditate upon. Of course, furthermore, there is the war and everything else which I haven't covered yet. This is all I have composed. The last 4 lines. Charanile anyasa taranavam Trishya Janaki Ashoka Nilayam Kruran Ravana Lankantakam Piranjaneyam Ramatudam. That I just composed just right now as part of this latest Charanam. This entire Charanam on Anjaneya, of course. While composing this, in the middle of it, I had one song I had composed on Shabari, Waiting on Rama, in Dharmavati Ragam, which I published before. And also, I composed a song in Purvi Kalyani and Rama that is kind of a compressed version of a story. A lot easier to sing that than to recite the entire story. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks, Malini, for inviting me to this wonderful music festival. Bye.